Got this old barn we're bringing back to life. Last week all that was on the walls and the roof and all the bad tin that was hanging up there. Got all that down. And then there was a big sag up in that roof line. So we built this little contraption out of come-alongs and ran them up to the roof and attached it to the top plate so we could push the roof back up into place. And here's where the tree hit it. And the rest of the roof was laying up there. We got all that down. And these beams were, this line when we started pushing this barn back up was about 8 inches down, and then eventually put this string up so we could use a gauge. It's at the bottom of the truss, or the floor joists attached to the ends of the barn. We've been lifting this barn about 2 inches or 3 inches a day until we get the whole floor trusses back square with that line. And now instead of wood post, we got screw jacks that we've been pushing the floor back up little by little. We're getting pretty close. A couple inches to go tomorrow. And then this one we just started yesterday or the day before. Likewise, this string started. So there's about 8 or 9 inches of sag in this whole barn in the center. So slowly we've been using these screw jacks and raising them up, and then when you get to the end and you put another one next to it and extend it, pull this one out, then you got another few inches of adjustment out of the screws. It's coming along, everything's pretty well supported. Got a couple extra ones where the holes are, then eventually we'll scab all this framework back together so that we can support. Right along here there's going to be braces like those, jacking up an outside section of the barn at a time so we can take the foundation out one piece at a time. First things first, get the barn up close to being where it's supposed to be, and then we'll worry about pulling the barn straight with the cable system out the side of the barn.